Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video on Android app development. So guys, in this video I will be showing you the demo of my Android project which I have developed. So it's the basically it is the family tracker app. Okay, so in this app we can track our friends and family location. Okay, so I have used the Google Maps API to find the location, and I have used Firebase as the backend database server. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, we what we will do is, first of all, let me show you my Firebase. Okay, so this is the Firebase, and here we have this database. So let me run the app and I show you. uh, okay, so we have this tracker 360 app. Okay, so now what we can do, let me open. Okay, so now we create an account. So here we click on get started. Here we write an email. So I write harun@gmail.com. Okay, so I click on next. So the system will check if this email is already there, present or not. If it's not present, so we can register it. So I create a password 12345 6. Okay, so I click on next, and here we can write our name. So I write my name as Harun, and here you go. Here you guys can see we have the circle code. Okay, 549599 549599. पूछने की जरूरत नहीं थी. Okay, so we have this code 549599. So how the user so now whenever a user is created, or you guys can see if the user creates his account, so the app will generate a circle code. Okay, for it, for that user. Okay, so now every user will have a unique circle code. Okay, so now if let's say user 1 wants to join user 2 circle. Okay, so what he will do, the user 1 will enter the user 2 circle code, and he can join his circle, and from there user 1 can access the user 2 location. Okay, I hope you understand me. If not, then I will make sure that you understand it well. Okay, so now here we can also share this code with our friends and family. So if I click on send code, so there we will have several, you guys can see. Okay, so now what we can do, so now I will click on done, and here we have this new project. Let me open my database. Okay, so we have this account created. Okay, so here we have this circle code, date on which the account is created, name is sharing lat long. Okay, so now here you guys can see I have this location. Okay, so where I am, this is my current location. And now what we can do here is, okay, so now here we have this Harun user. Here we have several options: join a circle, my circle, joint circles, invite friends. Okay, so now if I click on invite friends, so now we can invite our friend with this code. Okay, so now what we will do, here we will have an option of join a circle. Okay, if Harun wants to join another user. Okay, so now he will click on join circle through uh, this one, and my circle will contain all the members who have joined the circle. Okay, Harun circle. And join circle will contain all the circles which Harun, this user, has joined. Okay, so if we click on join circle, so now joint circle is empty because we have not joined it yet. Okay, and similarly uh, my circle will be empty showing circle members, but there are no circle members. Okay, so now let's create another account. Okay, so let's sign out, and here we create another account. So let's say if the@gmail.com. Okay, this will be the second user. So now I create password 3456. Okay, so now I click on next, and here I name it as Hamza. I click on next. As you guys can see, now Hamza has also a unique circle code. Okay, so it has 1558. 896. Okay, so now click on done, and here you will see. Okay, so now here you will see another account of Hamza here. Okay, circle code, date, email is sharing false, let long name. Okay, so now we have these two users. So now if I click on my circle, there will be empty, and also the joint circle which is empty. Okay, so now what we will do, now Hamza will join the Harun account. Okay, so I click on join a circle, and here I will we will write the code for Harun. Okay, so if I write the wrong circle code here, so I will get an error that the circle code is wrong. So let's say I write 1 2 3 4 5 6, and I click on submit. As you guys can see, here we go, we have this invalid code. But what if we write the correct code? So the correct code for Harun is 549599. Okay, 549599. So if I click on submit, so as you guys can see, you have joined successfully. Okay, so now Hamza is in group Hamza. Okay, so here is the account for Hamza, and here we have this joined circle, and he has joined Harun circle. Okay, this is so, and in Harun circle, the circle member, it has this user ID of Hamza. You guys can see QFTD. Okay, so this is the Hamza account. So if we go to join circle, here you will see that Hamza has joined Harun circle. Okay, so if I go back and let's sign out. Okay, okay, so now if I click on login, if I want to login as Harun, so I will say Harun at gmail.com, and the password will be 123456, and I click on next. So if if we click on my circle, here you will see Hamza. Okay, so now Hamza is in the circle, and it's the red sign, which means Hamza is not sharing his location. Okay, so if I click on here Hamza, so as you guys can see, this circle member is not sharing location. Okay, so now when Hamza will share location, this red sign will be converted into green sign. Okay, so I go back and let's sign out. Okay, and let's log in as Hamza. So Hamza will be sharing his location, so I say Hamza at gmail.com, and I write the password as 123456. I click on next, and here you go. Okay, so now as Hamza has joined Harun, so now Hamza will share his location. Okay, so I will click on this one, and as you guys can see, Hamza location is changed. So now Hamza location is 33.6447383. Okay, so now Hamza is sharing location, and is sharing is true. Okay, so now let's sign out, and let's join as Harun. Here we write our password, and let's log in. And from here, if we say, if I click on my circle, so now you guys can see we have this green circle, which means that Hamza is sharing his location. So now I click on here, and as you guys can see Hamza's location, if I click on the marker here, you will see Hamza. Okay, so if the Hamza moves, so his location will be moved here. Okay, so basically this is the app which I have developed. So in our join circle, okay, so now Harun wants to join Hamza circle. So what he will do, he will click on join a circle, and here he will write the Hamza uh, circle code. So it's 155896. So 155896. Okay, so I click on submit, and here you go, we have Harun has joined Hamza. So here in our Hamza account, we have the circle member, and it's the circle member is of Harun. Okay, and in our Harun, we have this Harun, and it has joined circles. So it has joined Hamza circle. All right. So I hope you have understood the concept which I have used here. So I will upload the app description, sorry, the app link in my video description. You can download the app from there, and you guys also can give reviews in comment section. So if you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.